Day 2. I'm sore. And I overslept. But today's going to be a great day.
Hello! My name's Sam, and this is Taylor Ham. And together, we're walking across the USA. Along the way, we hope to raise money for Just Believe, Inc. They help the homeless in New Jersey. The link's in the bio. Hope you could follow along.
It's 12 o'clock.
Enjoy.
12:30 actually. I'm fucking up today. It's this insomnia from COVID. I can't sleep at night. I'm up till 6 in the frickin' morning. But either way, it's an easy day today. And I had a lot of last minute things. Like yesterday I was walking and I said, oh crap, my mail. I get shit tons of mail. So I had to find someone that I could take my mail and bring in air conditioners and gonna shower and then walk. Thank God the sun stays out later this time of year. Hey. All right, bye house. It's done. We're gone. Alrighty then. At 1:30, we're finally out of here. Procrastination is my middle name. In fact, I'm going to add it to my will that we're going to make the funeral possession. Well, I will possess many people. The funeral procession 15 minutes late. It would just, you know, pay tribute to my life. Yeah. Or I want to get cremated and blown in the face of my enemies. Or flushed down the Dublin House toilet. Or just yeeted into a dumpster. I don't know why I'm thinking about that right before I'm about to leave for this trip. Anyway, back on the road. Come on. Bye house, I'll miss you. Bye car, I'll miss you. I love you. On the road again. I couldn't wait to get back on the road again, and so I procrastinated till 1:30. I hate fucking people that stack rocks. Oh, who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants. So, a little bit of a fun fact because, you know, excuse me. A little bit of a fun fact since I'm full of them. This trail that I'm walking on used to be, I believe it's called the Henry Hudson Shoreline or the Atlantic Bay Line. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it was a train station. And those are the stairs that used to go to the train station back in the, I want to say 1800s, really early 1900s. And then this town and like this whole area used to be like Times Square. And the invention of the automobile and the construction of the Parkway and Turnpike and I-95 and stuff destroyed areas like this. And then they took the train out of operation. And it's funny, my grandma used to ride the train to school next town over. So when all the girls would get to school, they would frantically run to the bathroom to wash all the soot off their face from the coal. It's pretty cool. But I said I would show you guys the spring where Henry Hudson got his water. So let's do that. Little side quest here. Come on, Joe. Come on. That obviously didn't look. Now it obviously didn't look like this at the time of Henry Hudson and, you know, when the natives used it. But you know what's scary is as kids we used to drink that fucking water. That's probably why I'm so fucked up. But yeah, Henry Hudson used to come here. They would park their ships right out there in the bay, right there, and get their water. And yeah, I'll show you the little placard if you want to pause. Come here. Another fun fact, because I'm full of them. Sorry, I drink a lot of coffee and shaking. This is peanut stone. And peanut stone is only native to 2 places in the entire world. Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey, and a small town in Chile. That means at one point in time, you know, in Pangea or whatever, or whenever the tectonic plates were moving, this town and that town in Chile were back to back. It's pretty cool. Look at that beauty. Man, what a dike. It's a scorcher today. It's been cold the past 3 weeks and I wanted to go. And now of course when I start, the 2 days I start, it's the hottest it's been in friggin' months. But yeah, I can't procrastinate getting up and going anymore. I realized with the fundraiser that I get stopped a lot on the street, which is amazing, but every interaction takes a couple minutes, so I got to account for that moving forward. I think I'm going to try to change my sleeping pattern from like 7 p.m. to like 5 a.m. You know, try anyway. But yeah, God, it's so beautiful out here. It's so great. Life is wonderful when you're free. Humans just, we complicate life to the point of misery. It's really unfortunate because it's such a beautiful world, but people make it so ugly. But talking to all the people I have today, I've probably talked to about 100 people in the 4 miles I've gone. So talking to all those people, yeah, man, it really restores my hope and faith, and it's good. It's good. There are good people out there still. Who is that beautiful girl? Okay, smells like farts. See how you deal with blister? Done. Pretty cool. There's a little cat colony here. All these little cat houses and stuff. But wait a minute. Wait a second. You're not a cat. What are you doing, not cat? That's a big motherfucker too. Cool. Look at the little kitties. They're like, fuck off, human. This is our colony. We don't like your species here. St. Francis Feline Fellowship Foundation, I thank you. I used to feed a lot of stray cats around town. I just have a soft spot for them. But indoor cats, I'm not really knocking you if you have indoor cats with the litter box and stuff. And then there's a lot of cat people that don't realize they smell like pee all the time. And I don't know. You got to keep them clean, you know. I get that, but outdoor cats, man, yeah, they're good. They're good little babies. They have my boy Styles. He was a cat that I fed for years, and apparently he was like 11 years old. Did really well outdoors. Yeah, we built him a little house and stuff, but he never used it. But he fell in love with the neighbors, and they took him to their new property, which is apparently huge, and he's getting all the love and, you know, attention he deserves. Man, my boy Styles, if you're watching this, I miss you, buddy. Man, it's been like a mile, just swarming little swamp flies, gnats, llamas, all. Fucking gross. Fucking gross. So I can do way more many miles road walking than I can do climbing mountains. But let me tell you, it is so much harder on your body. My feet never hurt in the woods, but they are barking right now, man. My dogs is barking. Found a lot of really great places to stealth camp, but the problem with this area is I don't know, it floods at high tide, and I don't know what's like protected naval base land, and you see there's all these no trespassing signs, but it doesn't say if it's the naval base. If it's some like power plant or something, whatever. But another problem is you know, in Jersey you see this open field, looks all nice. You know, it could have been a fucking toxic landfill a few years ago. You know, this road walk, shit's not fun, but guess I better get used to it. At least there's a sidewalk. I definitely will never ever have her off the leash on the side of the road, but she seems to actually like the cart. She walks for like a mile and then she's good, and she's just lounging around. Typical pit bull. Not enough border collie to carry her. So that's it for day 2. I was trying to make it to Cheesequake State Park, but no one was answering the phone there, and I was too afraid to go there and just camp, and I also wasn't going to make it before dark. So I got a good price at a Best Western, and it was cool. The lady, I didn't think about the dog checking in on Priceline. So when I got here, she's like, is it a service dog? I was like, no, I'm not going to lie to you. I said, but she is helping me raise money for homeless people in Ocean County. So she's serving the community in a way. She just doesn't know she's doing that. So anyway, yeah, I pussed out and got a hotel room. But I'm just not confident enough to stealth camp. I'll get there again. But yeah, that's it for day 2. I'm gonna eat some food, pass the freak out, wake up tomorrow, make love to that free breakfast, and get walking. Today was a great day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and if you don't do any of that, please at least donate or share the GoFundMe for Just Believe Inc. It's a great day. Met so many great people on the trail today. That's why I didn't take too much video today, because I spent the day talking. It was great. It was really great. Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Love you all. Sexy people. And, be good.